listen. Out of the gate. Listen, 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 listen. Dudes and dudes, listen to me. This be the truth, जो भी बोले मम्मी डैडी. पढ़ाई is important, कोई नहीं करो doubt, लेकिन learning is important, exams नहीं. Listen, 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 listen. So don't take the stress of pass or fail. Just do your best, चाहे sing हो या sail. Next time करेंगे थोड़ा और भी try. Results है paper में पेन की लिखाई. This is not your life, this is not your fate. तो फेंको exams की stress को out of the game. So put your hands up, so say scheme on our day. Put your hands up and keep on chilling, he say. So put your hands up, so say scheme on our day. Put your hands up and keep on chilling, he say. Ha ha ha. Na na na. Da 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 na na. Kimonachi in the house. Everyone else out. Kimonachi in the house. All the cool kids shout. Hey you, जिनको सब बोलते बचो. छोटे हैं तो insult करते हैं हलो. I know it ain't fair, baby. दिखा देंगे दुनिया को you guys and me. Study teacher parents इन सब का pressure. Handle करना है हमारी greatness का measure. जो भी तुम्हें doubt करे या तुम पे shout करे, उनको अपने attitude से हम चलो out करें. Put your hands up, and that's what we want to change. Put your hands up, cause we are cool and such. Put your hands up, नहीं हटेंगे पीछे. Put your hands up, and don't you call us बच्चे. Kimonachi in the house. Everyone else out. Kimonachi in the house. All the cool kids shout. Kimonachi. हमारे पीछे हम सबके आगे यो. कैसी ये लाइफ है यारो, we will survive yo. One day सब कुछ बदलेगा, होगा अपना ज़माना yo. बदलना देना baby, हम हैं the future yo. Please listen up, where who keep on nudging. I'm cool, I'm you, I'm your bestest friend. तो कोई भी हो problem, come over to me. हर चीज़ का तो मेरे पास है, it's all for free. So put your hands up and keep on nudging. Put your hands up and then come on budging. दुनिया हमारे पीछे हम सबके आगे yo. कैसी ये लाइफ है यारो, we will survive yo. सब कुछ बदलेगा, होगा अपना ज़माना yo. बदलना देना baby, हम हैं the future yo.
Try to be a good person. Shouldn't wear a veil around your neck. Wanna get slept, fool? You ridiculous. You ridiculous. good person. Shouldn't wear a bell around your neck, wanna get slept, fool. You ridiculous.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to